What's going on, car people and entrepreneurs of this world? Today, we have made a very spontaneous decision, a very exciting decision. I don't even know how I feel. I'm not excited, I'm not excited. It was just very fast, and yeah, we bought another car, but with one car coming in, unfortunately, I think we're gonna have to chop one because I don't need this many cars. It's too many cars. I mean, I can afford it, but it doesn't make sense for me to afford it. It's just way too much money, and that money should be going into other things other than fun, because I have plenty of fun and I probably shouldn't be having as much fun as I am having. I think you guys will probably remember Matt. It's been, I don't even know how long since you've been on the channel last. This driveway, it's got a lot of memories to it. All right, real quick. I know I'm reeling you guys on the oh shoot, I hope I didn't reveal it there. I'm reeling you guys in on a string here and not showing you what we got. But first I gotta show you what, oh I can't turn the camera that way. First I gotta show you what Matt's brother just picked up. He just picked up this Isuzu, dude.
K-truck.
K-truck.
The famous K-truck.
Dude, this thing is so sick. And yo, I'm 6'4". Take a hold of this. We're gonna go hop in the passenger seat. I'm trying to debate, like, I kind of want to get one of these for the landscape company and wrap it with Lawn Ranger.
Comment if you think Sam is gonna fit in this thing.
There's a strap. I have good headroom, surprisingly.
Very impressive.
Does it look good?
There's room to spare up top.
There's room to spare. The foot pedals.
You know where there's not room to spare?
I think we could manage. Alright, so now that we've seen one exciting thing, we're on to the next. I'm not going to delay anymore. I bought my first Porsche. Boys, I bought a Porsche. There's quite an insane story on how I got this car. We have a 1998 Porsche Boxster. This is a 5-speed manual car. It's got the soft top that works perfectly. This car has been kept in a garage its entire life. This is crazy, dude. It's absolutely insane. I don't know. I don't even know what to say, dude. I really don't. Like, it's
It is an amazing car.
I don't know how else to explain it. It is currently 4th of July. We have a car meet that we're actually going to attend later tonight. We're going to head over to my shop. We're going to pick up the LS460. He's going to hop in that, or I'll hop in that and he'll hop in the, I don't know. We'll take both of them. Oh boys, here we are in a Porsche. There's a very strange part of me that feels like I should not have this car. I need to pray about this, and yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'm just really thirsty. I might be a little dehydrated. I'm excited, I really am, but there's a part of me that's just like, this is so strange. It's a very strange feeling. But this is sick, man. Beautiful day, top down. For whatever it's worth, if you're looking to get a Porsche Boxster and you're 6'4" or under, I fit great. This is my eye level. I'm not like looking out the top of the windshield. Like, it's a really clean, nice fit. This is cool, man. This is really cool. It needs some detail work. The paint's not in the best condition, but everything else seems to be literally in pristine condition. The guy I bought it from has records of this car from literally before I was born, back to, you know, when it was first purchased. It was taken care of, and I'm gonna take care of it, that's for sure. Massive change of events. We ended up pulling up on my brother. He just got back from a really long trip, and he's got this amazing pink Ducati, which I have shown like once or twice. But this thing is absolutely sick. I'm jumping in the LS460. Matt's gonna take my new baby carefully over to the show. We're gonna jump in the OG car that started it all. Now that sounds proper. That sounds proper. Yo, back in the Lexus, dude. This thing feels like a sofa. Oh my gosh, This thing feels like a sofa. Got the Porsche in pursuit, won't focus. I keep feeling like I need to clutch in. Oh man, this is crazy. Oh, it's so cool. Car show was so extremely boring. We didn't really do anything there. We actually just left. So, quite the mobster lineup right here. We just got the registration and plates for the Porsche, so we're gonna throw those on right now, get rid of the PA plates. Alright, so we're in the middle of getting the Porsche washed real quick, and the one thing that I've never encountered before is like washing a soft top. Obviously, you know, I'm not gonna do anything crazy with it. I'm thinking I'm just gonna vacuum it with like the little bristle thing, maybe get all this off, but there's like Porsche soft top cleaner that you can purchase. I was taking a look at that online. I don't know if we'll get it. I don't think it's really dirty, but something that like is crazy is this car's from 1998, original paint. Look at that, dude. And I mean, the camera doesn't really even do this justice, but like, dude, that thing is glistening. Anyway, yeah, whole exterior's washed. We're going to take the top down. Actually, no, we're gonna vacuum the top, take the top down, detail the interior. Car is looking absolutely stellar. We got to go run some quotes now, but dude, this interior needed some serious work. Also, found these sunglasses in there. What do you think? Should they replace the Ray-Bans? I think so. Roughly 6:30. Just got finished up the last job, went back, showered, and we grabbed the Porsche. We are now headed off to Ed's house to surprise him with the car. He does not know that we have this, so we're gonna head over there, get his reaction. All right, here we go. Rolling up to Ed's house. Oh!
Dude, are you serious? What? Dude, oh my, I was not expecting this.
Let's go! He thought it was a bicycle.
This is sick. Congrats, bro.
Dude, thank you, bro.
Oh, it's a manual?
Yeah, it is.
Dude, unreal. Dude, I'm speechless.
Dude, let's go. Alright, now that we met up with Ed, we're gonna head over to a car show. It's one of our friends. He just hit 10,000 followers on Instagram. So it's just a little celebration car show for him. So it should be a lot of fun. We're cruising over there right now. Oh my gosh, dude. That thing sounds so good. Like, this car is a ton of fun, right? But I'll tell you what, there is nothing like a car with an exhaust. As far as like a pure driver car, Porsche all day. It's just so fun to be able to step on the gas and just hear that thing. It's amazing.
No, what is this, dude?
Just left the car show. Big congrats to my boy Zach. 10K on Instagram, very good milestone. We're headed home now. We're gonna go knock out some more work on the computer and call for night. Okay, so I know that this video has been like quite all over the place with the purchase of the new Porsche. I just kind of wanted to wrap it up actually showing you what we just got. So this is a 1998 Porsche Boxster. I have owned this car for just over 2 weeks now, and I'm having a lot of fun with it. I mean, it is an absolute go-kart. It's quite slow, but around the corners, this thing rips for sure. The interior is so clean. We detailed it the other day. I mean, it has these beautiful like vintage Porsche floor mats. It looks so cool. Seats are in very nice condition. Obviously, the 5-speed manual here, can't go wrong with that. If you guys remember, I owned a manual Audi, a 6-speed manual Audi for like literally a month, and then I sold it. So it's a lot of fun to have the manual car back in the collection for sure. This is the soft top convertible. Obviously, we always ride with it down. It's just so much more of an experience when it's down. One thing about the Porsche Boxster is we're yet to see the engine. It's back behind this panel right here, but I guess that's okay. I would like to keep this thing up with the Porsche dealership. This car was serviced its entire life at a Porsche dealership, so we're gonna try to stay on top of that. Obviously, you got the front as well. You got this little, it's a red donut. It's kind of cool. It's like, I don't know, I can just see it on like an older Porsche, like 911 or something. And one thing that I want to show you real quick that I just learned the other day about the Porsche Boxster is this has a hydraulic or electric active aero wing. So once you hit a certain mile per hour, this will come up. Now, I didn't know that this is a manual adjustment, which you can do right here. So we'll stick our key in, get the ignition on. There's a button down here where if you push it, the rear spoiler goes up, which is so sick. I learned that literally just the other day. And it kind of just adds like a fun little flair to the car. I mean, I hate to say this, but this car reminds me a lot of, I'm probably gonna get absolutely shredded for this, but the Carrera GT. Like just the way that these body lines come into the lights, it looks a lot like the Carrera GT, and obviously it has a much smaller wing than what's on the CGT. But I don't know, it resembles it a little bit. I mean, I could be stupid, but kind of the first thing I thought about when checking out the backside of this car. So yeah, this is the new car, the Porsche Boxster from 1998. Let me know what you guys think of it. It matches perfectly with the other two Lexuses. I mean, the all black, it just looks so killer. Like I said, if you want anything content specific, let me know. But as for now, we'll be seeing you in the next one. Peace.